Hello students, very good morning. Already some definitions and some terms already I have explained through the video. Now we have to solve our self practice 5a in this chapter. So in the self practice 5a, first question, just you read the question number first. Which of the following expressions are polynomial? Means we have to check, some expression are given, we have to check in the first question which one is the polynomial and which one is the not polynomial. Okay, so how will do? Already I have explained through the video definition of the polynomial. So definition of the polynomial is an algebraic expression which has positive integer power, that is called polynomial. So positive integer power, it is very important, just you be careful for this. Positive integer power on the variable means variable has power positive integer, maybe 0 sometimes also will come, so that are called polynomial. So this just you check in the first question, 5 minus 7x is there, this one is the constant, this one is also constant coefficient, and this one is called variable. So variable has nothing written, means power 1 is there. Okay, so it is positive power only, 1 is there means positive power. So it is a polynomial. So we can say this one is a polynomial. Yes, answer is yes. It is polynomial. It is polynomial. Okay. Next one, 2y square minus xy plus 5 upon y minus 3. So in first term power positive, second term also nothing written means power 1, y is also power 1. But in third term here denominator part is given y. So we can write again this algebraic expression like this. Minus 6y in the power, if you will take reciprocal of this, then power will come minus. Okay, so 5 into y power minus 1 will come and minus 3. So here power is negative. Okay, this one is denominator part. If you will take variable on the numerator part, then power will come in minus. It is the laws of exponents and power also in that chapter. Here if you will take 1 upon a to the power m, this will go upper, a to the power minus m will come. This one already I have written in the laws of exponents. So here power is minus, then nothing written is power 1 is there, means in place of m is 1 is there, so that will be go upper, base is 1, base is 5 y and power is 1, then it will go in numerator part, then power will come in minus. So this one is power negative. Oh, so it is not an algebraic, so it is not an polynomial where power is negative, because already I explained in the polynomial definition it should be variable power positive integer. So here power is negative integer, so it is not polynomial. So answer is no. Now next one, in d part also 2 minus 9 upon x. So again you have to take same types of process. 2 minus 9 x to the power, here 1 is there, so you will take upper, this one minus 1 power will come. So 2 minus 9 into x power minus 1 will come. So it is also again power is negative, so it is not polynomial. So answer is no. Next one, here f 19 means only constant is there, power nothing variable is not there, means something written means power x power 0 maybe, y power 0 maybe, because something power 0 means 1, so 19 into 1 always 19, so it will not affect, means power is positive, 0 is there, or you can say constant is also called a polynomial only. So this one is polynomial. Okay, yes, answer is yes, it will come polynomial. Answer is yes. Now in the next part, x plus 3 upon x minus 2 is there. So again we have to take this variable on the upper part means numerator part. So x plus 1 upon 3, just you keep 1 upon 3, this one is the constant. For constant there is no any condition, for variable is there condition, so that's why I have taken x is upper part, means x power minus 1 power 1 is there, that's why. Again minus 2 is there, so minus 2. So again it will come x plus 1 upon 3 x power minus 1 minus 2. So again we have variable power minus, so it is not polynomial. So answer is no. Okay, like that you can change whatever I have left that part. You have to try yourself. Okay, just you have to check which one is polynomial, which one is not polynomial. Next one, we have to do the question number 2. Just you read the question number 2. State the numerical coefficient and degree of each polynomial. So in the first question, we have to find coefficient as well as degree of the polynomial. So this one is again polynomial only because here already explained 19 is a polynomial. So constant value is also polynomial. Here degree means already I have explained through the video definition of degree. Degree means power in the algebraic expression that polynomial. If polynomial is there, then we have to find degree, otherwise not, because degree is defined for polynomial only, not for any that type of algebraic expression. Those are has power negative. In that case degree will not define if polynomial is not there. Okay, so this one is polynomial. Here nothing means variable is there, nothing is there, so degree will be 0 and numerical coefficient is 45 only. Okay, so numerical coefficient will be 45. Numerical coefficient means coefficient already I have explained through the video. Coefficient means which number is multiplied with variable or whatever. If we will find coefficient of the just you leave the n and this one is the coefficient. But in question is asking numerical coefficient, so we have to the answer only number only. Okay, so numerical coefficient is equal to 45 and degree is equal to 0. In this case degree is equal to 0 because variable is not there. Now in the B part, here numerical coefficient is 4, but degree is not defined because it is not a polynomial. Because y power, if you will take this y upper, then it will come 4x square y power minus 1. So here variable has y power negative, so it is not polynomial, so degree is not defined. So just directly we can say numerical coefficient is equal to 4. So numerical coefficient is equal to 4. Numerical coefficient is equal to 4 and degree is not defined. So degree is not defined. Just write down in this case degree is not defined. Okay. Now next one, C part. 42 x power minus 1 upon 4 is there. Again here power is negative and fraction is also. So again in this case degree is not defined. Only coefficient we have to find. So numerical coefficient will be 42. Numerical coefficient is equal to numerical coefficient, shortcut coefficient you can use coefficient like this, equal to 42. Again in this case degree is defined here and numerical coefficient. First of all, just to answer, numerical coefficient will be numerical coefficient is equal to minus 12. If sign is minus is there, so you can put here minus also. And now we have to find degree. So degree here variable is 2. So degree is whole variable power. This one is also variable power 2 and this one has nothing means 1. So just if 2 variable is there, just you add both the power, then it will come degree. So 2 plus 1 degree is equal to 3. So degree of this algebraic expression is polynomial is 3. Okay. Now in this case numerical coefficient is 5. And you can write here minus 5, again t will go up, so t power minus 2 will come. Again it is not a polynomial, so degree is not defined. So directly just you answer numerical coefficient is equal to 5 and degree is equal to degree is not defined. In this case again numerical coefficient is equal to minus 25, numerical coefficient is equal to minus 25 and degree is equal to again here x power 2 and y power 1 is there. So just you add both the power. If two variables are there, then just you add both the power. So degree is equal to 2 plus 1, 3 is there. So degree is equal to 3. Like that you can find. If one variable is there, then there is no confusion for degree. Means like this question is like this, 25 x power 3 means degree is equal to 3 only and coefficient will be 25. Okay. If variable is 2, then we have to add both the power, then it will come 20. Okay. Answer of the 2. Like that you can do the question number. First and second I will explain. Try yourself. Rest of the question whatever I have left. Okay. And next question I will explain in the next video. That's all.